What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see we back at y'all with another one. I told y'all, man, the initial day I said we're gonna shoot a bunt, and we is part 2 of this series with the Donkmaster, whatever. So y'all see, man, I'm finna uncover brown coat, which, man, I ain't drove the car, I ain't drove the truck in 2 weeks. I ain't even cranked it up. I've been intending to crank it up. So I hope the battery, yeah, it should be good. We ain't had no real cold day. But I'm finna get this thing uncovered, man. And all of that. She's still glistening, boy. That J Hall automotive custom paint, boy. People be think you gotta have candy to be clean all the time. Now, I might not paint none of my car candy just to show people. I be getting asked, is it candy? Nah. It's a custom color though. The J Hall automotive custom paint, man. I'm taking him up the street in brown coat, man. See what's to it. Matter of fact, let's see. Let's make sure this nag crank. Let's make sure this nag crank. I need to wipe old brown coat down, man. Good pretty day. Feel good while they. Let me show y'all now. I guarantee this truck gonna fire right up. Cause it warm day. That's how they. Ooh, I need some petrol in this thing. Hold on. Wait a minute. There we go. I'm gonna turn it on there and turn them. Oh, come on now. Dolo did better. There we go. Yes, indeed. Man, this truck be so mellow, man. It be so mellow when it's at idle, but when you get on it, boy, you can tell it got full exhaust out the back. Boy, that thing be hollering. Need some tires, man. I need to be ordering some tires. Be real with you. But I'm gonna finish them off. Smelling good out here, man. Got that good cologne. Smell like cherries out here. R&B be smell like grapes. Oh yeah. Brown coat talking. Woo! Anyway, yeah, man. Let me get this thing backed up. Then we're gonna check back in with y'all. Ooh, y'all bright. Then we're gonna check back in with y'all. So I'll catch y'all in a minute. All right, I'm checking in, man. We're checking in, like I said, another video. We got brown coat uncovered. Donkmaster over here. G over here too. Man, G gonna have to, man, we're gonna see G gonna have to ride it one up before he leaves, man. We just working. So look.
G done ready too.
Hey man. Now you know you about 8 foot tall, yeah, man. So I was just saying, have you been in an S10 before?
Yeah, a long time ago, about 100 pounds ago.
I'm about to say, we can't move no seats in this one now. I mean, I was just thinking about that, y'all. I mean,
it might be knees on the damn.
Yeah, what I said, man. We can't move no seats in this thing, man. And I know Donkmaster tall, man. And real, look at him in comparison to the truck, man. I'm telling you, Donkmaster tall, man. I might have to use you for the thumbnail, bro. Hey, we gonna see what happened though, y'all. I'm finna set the GoPro up, take him for a ride, man. And shoot, he gonna have to drive this thing, man. We gonna put it on his channel.
The chase vehicle. What's the chase vehicle for G to ride in?
Oh yeah, we're gonna get G to do the chase vehicle too, man. I'm gonna have to let him drive. Cause he gonna drive, man. He gonna be on his video and stuff too, but yeah, we finna set this up. We finna go ahead and get it done, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, look, man. We finna go. Man, Donkmaster done jinx me, man. Man, the jinx me, man.
Who?
Hey, look, you look. You, man.
jinx-
Hey, look.
I
That man said we got some gas in. Look, I just looked at this thing about 5 minutes ago.
Yeah, let me see. That's
Soon-
the car.
Soon as he said that, man, the gas hand just decided the sin, man. That what happened. So, man, we're gonna put some. Y'all know how I do on the vlogs, and y'all know I don't be feeling like going by the gas station, so I just post some of this in it. But I'm gonna get this in. We're gonna take off. All right, checking in, man. We in brown coat.
Shoulder to shoulder.
Yeah. Hey, man. David and Goliath there, man. David and Goliath, man.
Shoulder to shoulder.
Yeah, man. Y'all know them S10, they just is what it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So we'll take a little drive to Mexico. See what it hit like. Tell about the transmission, man. 5,000 RPM. And drive, man. But y'all know we got the showtime coming in here. Probably ready in a couple of weeks. Got G-Dog back there too, man. Ain't trying to run off on him. It just feels so extreme cause it's so light, man.
Yeah, that's a little truck.
Small cab and stuff. It don't take much for these, y'all. It took a loud, man.
Yeah, it ain't no lie.
It loud out the back.
They're straight pipes, huh? Ain't no mufflers, nothing.
Yeah. Tell them it. Now you done rode in both of them. Y'all done seen both videos, but you done rode in both like this and Dolo. Put one loud.
This car seems louder because of the straight, like it's straight pipe or something.
That's what I tell them, man. Like on the camera don't do it justice. It truck loud.
Man, that shit loud. Fucking loud.
It ain't loud at idle. You know what I'm saying? Idle and pretty mellow. I think I heard you say them quietly.
Yeah, it's still loud. Yeah, I can see.
Yeah, man. So look, man, we're gonna take this little drive. Get to Mexico, man. We're gonna turn y'all back on, make a little motor hit and all that. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we almost in Mexico. Do a little razzle dazzle. See what's to it.
See what we got going on.
Oh yeah. What, man? It's smelling good. It's smelling good behind it though. We got that cologne in there. Y'all know I call it cologne, man. We got that good cologne in there. We got the car back there when I let them bad.
The car coming up.
Yeah, thanks.
Tell that truck to go around. Huh?
Yeah.
How do you play your dose levels too? How do you play your dose levels too? How do you play your dose levels too? Alright, y'all seen how I play my dose levels too. So y'all show how to play y'all dose levels. Download the show, hashtag dose levels, and show me how y'all play your dose levels.
Alright, y'all, here we go.
He was sideways. He showed y'all he was crooked in the road now. I know, yeah.
Now we put it in the middle, man.
Man, the middle.
The car was hanging out to the side. So I had to get over to the middle. No,
yeah.
Then the new thing right there.
Yeah, slow that shit took off. It ain't spinning nothing. That shit is hooked.
No, it just a little haze and then, hey, we was out of there.
Nah, that thing gone, bro.
We was out of there, man.
That thing hooked so fast. I thought it was gonna spin or something.
Nah, it ain't no nothing. Hey, look, man, I might have to make you a thumbnail.
You gotta slow that thing down.
Hey, man, well, look, I'm gonna get back to the house, man. We're gonna turn y'all back on, so y'all stay tuned. All right, we just got back, y'all. No, man, what you think? What you think about that old brown coat, man?
What you doing? What you doing now? You know what I mean? You gotta stand up.
Hey, look, hey, to know what he talking about, man. Y'all just know y'all gotta go see his video, boy.
Yeah, for
hey,
sure.
When I say it, boy, had me crying. Y'all gotta see that man video, man. That man here is a slap fool, boy. Hey, Carl, like I said, he drove them too, man. But y'all seen the ride, man. Where G pulling back up, whatever. So. Look, man, just having fun today, enjoying the day and all that. I had to get hit afterthoughts on and all that stuff, but man, I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute, man. Holler at y'all about everything and we'll close the video out, but y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all, so look, we got brown coat put up. Took Donkmaster for a ride in brown coat. Hand drove this thing in 2 weeks. I hand drove this car in 2 weeks, man, but said it was fun. Make sure that damn. It was fun, man. It was fun. He like this little thing, man. He liked this little thing. Look, that man, y'all got to check his video out, man, when he was driving this thing. That junk there funny. That man funny, man. That man legit funny, boy. He need to be a comedian, man. He need to be a comedian. But anyway, we had fun, like I said, taking him up through there in brown coat. Obviously on motor and all that. Now this right here, when I take it to Lawless and get the nitrous put on, I'm gonna spray this joker. I'll spray this joker in the road, man, when I get the nitrous put on it. It'll probably be the last thing I do. But y'all know I got the kit and stuff. So when he come back, man, and it was on the radios, but it went in full trim. It went in full trim. So when he come back, it's gonna be I probably put it on slicks on the back, and then we'll have some gas. And they're gonna have that Showtime power transmission in it too. So they're gonna make all the difference. I don't know if people gonna realize now, cause y'all gotta think now. When I took him for a ride, I was just in drive. Cause I told y'all, remember I ain't gonna make sure that thing right now, cause that thing be jumping up to 8,000, boy. That thing can jump out the gym, cause I ain't got that vacuum, modulator hooked up and all that stuff. But like I said, man, it was fun, man. It was fun today. Like I said, we enjoyed the ride and stuff, just coming out chilling and all that stuff, man. You know, that's what it's about, networking and all that, networking with like-minded people and just enjoying the day and all of that good stuff, having fun, man. And I'm gonna have to get G back over here, man. G got to ride in this stuff. He ain't rolled in nothing, man. He gonna have to ride in all these things, man. So all in all, good day. I can say that, good day, fun, and who knows? Like I said, y'all just stay tuned in for the series, man. I told y'all I'm here. Y'all some good content, good lit content coming this week. I got some more planned now. Y'all just stay tuned, man. There's some more people coming now. There's some more people coming. Just know when I say they coming, they coming. So y'all just stay tuned, man, cause I got some bangers coming for y'all, man. I got some epic collabs on the way and all that. So yeah, that's it. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.